Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to download The Handmaid's Tale on Hulu so that you can watch it offline without the need for an internet connection. Let's get started. Step 1. Update the Hulu app. Before you can download any content, make sure you have the latest version of the Hulu app installed on your device. Check your App Store or Google Play Store for updates and install them if necessary. Step 2. Sign into your Hulu account. Open the Hulu app and sign into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one and ensure you have a subscription plan that allows downloads. Step 3. Search for The Handmaid's Tale. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to find The Handmaid's Tale. You can type in the title or browse through the available categories to locate the series. Step 4. Select the episode or season. Click on the title of the show to access its page. You will see options for different seasons and episodes. Choose the specific episode you want to download or select the entire season. Step 5. Download the episode. Look for the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow, next to the episode or season you wish to download. Tap on it, and the downloading process will begin. Ensure you have enough storage space on your device to complete the download. Step 6. Monitor your downloads. You can check the download progress in the Downloads section of the app. Once the download is complete, you will be able to find the episode in the Downloads tab within the Hulu app. Step 7. Watch offline. Now that you have downloaded the episode, you can watch it offline without an internet connection. Just navigate to your Downloads section and tap on the episode to enjoy The Handmaid's Tale anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials.